Hi, this is Venkat. We just turned into Venkat Reddy AI classes.
This video is part of a series. Complete the previous videos in this playlist before you start this video. The complete playlist information, the material and the code file information is given in the video description below. This project is about building an AI agent. The whole world is kind of stuck at one step before this. I will not say stuck. I would say the whole world is trying RAG. So right now people are here, maximum number of people, maximum number of teams that I have seen. They're trying out RAGs. Slowly they are entering agents. So now we are talking about the latest technology of creating AI agent. If you can create a RAG, that means you are up to date. If you're creating an AI agent, that means you are pretty good. A lot of companies haven't started building AI agents yet, but they are going to do that very soon. So we are going to create an AI agent, which is little complex. This AI agent is going to hit our databases, get the relevant information. That means if the customer is asking a very technical question that need to be answered by looking at our databases, then AI agent does that job. Let us suppose I'm talking about this company only, Novartis. Now, instead of asking what are the solutions given by Novartis, if my question is, what is the revenue from this particular client in the first quarter and compare it with the second quarter? If I ask such questions, the answers will be in the proper databases. If the user has the proper access, or like users are our internal stakeholders only, or users are our business partners only. If we are creating an AI agent that will answer the user questions properly by hitting a database, then we will be using SQL tool. So inside an AI agent will have a discussion with the user, and the user is asking a technical question related to our internal database, then it should hit the SQL tool. And while he's asking a question, if there's a calculation that is required, he said that after getting the information, give me a graph or give me a visualization. For example, show me the last 12 months sales data and give me a trend chart. For creating a trend chart, so to extract the last 12 months sales data, our AI agent will use SQL tool. And then for creating a trend chart, it should use Python tool. If the user is asking questions related to our private documents, the AI agent must use RAG tool. That means you want to have one place, one AI agent for everything. This is like the super AI agent that should be able to answer any question related to a particular field. It can get the data from SQL. It can do operations in Python, create visualizations. It can answer the questions from RAG. Or if at all, it has to search the internet. Let's say if you ask questions like, what is the Novartis current stock price? Or why Novartis stock price is decreasing? Or what is the sentiment of the users about Novartis? Like that, if you want to get the information from internet, that also we want to get it. So basically, we want to have one AI agent that is super, super powerful. It does structured querying, it does visualizations, it does retrieval augment generation, it does web search. This is the AI agent that we want to create. So this is like a little complex than whatever we have done until here. It doesn't mean that you cannot do it by using your ChatGPT here and there. By looking at our code itself, if you go through our course, if you look at our code, you should be able to create like this. I have given very detailed instructions so that when you're trying, you should find it very easy. If you read it automatically, you should be able to get it. I have also given the sample code at the end of it. If you click on this link, I have given kind of structure that you must follow. So the same thing, the assignment instructions. So the SQL database creation also I have given. If you go down, so you'll start with packages. You can create SQL database or you can create it by using other databases, other commands also. And then you first create the SQL tool. It hardly takes 5-6 lines of code or 10 lines of code, and then wrap it as a tool, decorate it as a tool. You create a web search tool by using SERP API or Tably search, maybe 10 lines of code here. Python tool, 4 lines of code. RAG, it is slightly higher number of lines of code. And then finally, you create an agent and mention inside that agent tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4, and then you give these questions, you get the answers. Overall, the functionalities of agents are very, very complex, but creating an agent should not be very complex. Can you do this, all of you? Can you try it out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, if there's anything very serious about this course, then this is one that you should do. If you just say that I know this end to end, only this one, this code file, I know this end to end, that is sufficient. It is a success for you, because 99.9% of the data scientists haven't reached this phase yet. Anyway, I'll give the solution. You try, fail. Then next time when I show the solution, you will just understand it like very easily. Okay. You give it a try for sure. Okay. I'll give a couple of weeks time for you to complete these assignments. And then I will announce one more interaction with you. In that, I'll go through the solutions. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, you have completed the course now. You can check the rest of the courses in our playlist. I'll be adding few more videos in this playlist as well. Once again, congratulations. All the best to you.